All right, tribe. What you're looking at is my UGU okorobong fluted pumpkin. I am so sad. Obviously, the UGU is not doing well, and that is because I left the UGU outside. I left the plants outside the very last day that we had frost in zone 9A. I thought it was Friday night breaking Saturday, but it was Saturday night breaking Sunday. So what happened is I left my plants inside, and then I would bring them out and take them back inside. They were doing fine. And then when I thought we had our last frost date in zone 9A, I'm like, okay, it's done now. I left the plants outside for one night, and this is what we had. So I am so sad. If you know how hard it is to get UGU seeds or the plants in the USA, you would appreciate this and how expensive they are. So now I have what? This is 7, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 4. So 15 plants that I don't know if they will survive, if I can revive this. Yeah. So that's the story of my UGU. I'm just going to leave them here. Today is March the 18th. So this happened on the 12th, breaking 13th. So I got up on Sunday and the leaves were kind of frozen. And so I was just hoping that they might survive, but it looks like they will not. I don't know if the stems are still good, but I'm just gonna leave the plants alone and see if something good comes out of them. I'll keep you all updated.